Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Startup. In today's video, I'll show you how to extend your PC screen to your mobile phone, tablet, or any other device wirelessly. And the best part? It's 100% free and completely safe. Whether you have an iOS or Android device, this method works seamlessly, allowing you to extend your display to up to 2 devices. But that's not all. I'll also show you how to transfer files, mirror your phone, and even use your mobile as a webcam. So, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First, we need to download a software called GlideX. This is a free tool provided by ASUS, and it works on both Windows and macOS. To get started, click the link in the description below or simply search for GlideX on your favorite search engine. Once you find the official website, scroll down to the download section. If you're using a Mac, click Download for Mac. For Windows users, click Get it from Microsoft Store. You'll be redirected to the Microsoft Store, where you can easily download the software. If you have an ASUS PC, you can also find the GlideX software in the My ASUS app under the Featured section. Once you've downloaded and installed the software, open it up. On the left side, you'll see a panel with an option called Cross-Device Operation. Click on it, and then select the Extend option. Before we proceed, make sure to do the following 2 things. Download the GlideX app on your mobile device. It's available on both the App Store and Google Play Store. Connect both your PC and mobile device to the same network. To do this, you can enable your PC's mobile hotspot. Just search for Mobile Hotspot in the Windows search bar and turn it on. Once enabled, connect your mobile device to this hotspot using the displayed password or QR code. If you're already connected to a Wi-Fi network, make sure both devices are on the same one. Now that everything is set up, go back to the GlideX software on your PC and open the app on your mobile device. On GlideX, click Search for Devices. Your mobile device should appear in the list. If it doesn't, try scanning the QR code from the mobile app. Once your device is detected, click on it. A prompt will appear on your mobile device to confirm the connection. Click Accept. And that's it. Your PC monitor is now extended wirelessly to your mobile device. If you experience any lag or want to improve the quality of your extended monitor, go to the Preferences menu in GlideX. Switch to Manual mode to adjust the quality settings. Lower the quality if you're facing lag, or increase it for better visuals. You can also duplicate your monitor or use the Identify Monitors feature to keep things organized. To end the extended session, simply tap the Close button on the right corner of your mobile app. It's that easy. Also, if you need to connect more than one device, try connect with USB. Otherwise may have lags. GlideX offers more than just screen extending. You can also transfer files between devices, mirror your phone's display on your PC, use your phone as a shared camera or webcam, unify controls for seamless multitasking. This all features you can access like way we did before. These features are perfect for creators, web developers, and programmers who use multiple devices. You can create an efficient ecosystem to boost your productivity. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, share this video with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Startup for more amazing tech tutorials and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.